Welcome to Sommet Des Neiges. It's our room. Okay. Welcome. Bonjour. Alright, this is the kitchen. It's the kitchen. Oh, you have that fridge little thingy. And then this goes straight to the living room. Sofa, you can convert that into a bed sofa. Then you have your dining table here. And then this one is the washer, I believe, yes. Washer dryer. And then this one, what this is, I think this is like just a closet there. That one, this is the bathroom. Hi. Right, and then bathtub. And this is the shower. And then, what's in here? Okay, when you go in here, there's a king bed. Right there. And then look at the view. We have a little balcony. That is Mont-Tremblant. Okay. And go there. I think, what is this? They have TV. Yes, TV. Alright, and then, so that is the bathroom. Then this one, you go back out to the living room, living area. Alright, and then here is the sofa. Ta-da! And then you have a little big window. And that's the Cabriolet. We're right in front of the Cabriolet, so we can just walk to the top, and then we're gonna ride the gondola later. Okay, that's Mont-Tremblant. Alright, and then this one, this is my beautiful doctor. Okay, and then this is going to the balcony in here, and then that's the room inside. And then look at that, we're on the 4th floor. I think they have 5 floors.